Hello and welcome. If you've made it this far, it's because you know that the future of industrial maintenance is changing, and you're ready to be part of that transformation. In this video series, we're going to delve into how artificial intelligence and advanced analytics can revolutionize the way you manage your assets, optimize your processes, and ultimately lead significant change in your business. These videos are designed specifically for experienced leaders, like you, who already have a solid understanding of the industry, but want to take their decision-making skills to a whole new level. So if you're ready, let's get started. Let's be honest. In industrial maintenance, you're often fighting fires. How many times have you had to react to an unexpected failure? Or maybe your team is forced to make decisions based on intuition, leading to inefficiencies, unplanned downtime, and unnecessary costs. This reactive approach is no longer sustainable. But what if I told you that today you can anticipate problems, not just react to them? With artificial intelligence and advanced analytics, you can. We're not talking about the future, we're talking about the present. Why are these technologies transforming the industry? Well, advanced analytics allows you to understand patterns in your data that were previously invisible. With AI, you can predict when equipment is going to fail, identify the cause before it happens, and even optimize your resources to ensure that each intervention is as efficient as possible. We move from corrective maintenance to preventive and predictive maintenance. Data-driven decisions allow you to not only repair machines, but to optimize their performance and thus improve the operational efficiency of your entire plant. These videos will not only give you a theoretical framework, but will also provide you with practical tools to implement real changes. We will cover a number of key areas, including the evolution of industrial maintenance, the importance of data collection and data quality, advanced analytics techniques, and how AI and advanced analytics can be applied in real life. Digital transformation is not just a futuristic concept, it's something you can implement in your business today. Reduced maintenance costs by anticipating failures and optimizing your resources. Improved operational efficiency, less unplanned downtime and more uptime. Improved decision-making, based on real data, not assumptions. Transforming your leadership. You will be able to lead your team into a technological future. We will divide this video series into several sequences. In the first part, we will cover the basics of industrial maintenance and new technologies. Then, we will look at the evolution from corrective to predictive maintenance and how advanced analytics is integrated into this process. Later, we will explore practical examples, success stories of companies that have already implemented AI and advanced analytics. Each video is designed so that, by the end of the sequence of these videos, you will be able to implement these techniques and lead the digital transformation in your company, or at least have the general knowledge. And remember, you don't need to be an expert in data or artificial intelligence to get the most out of these videos. Here you will learn what you need to bring these tools to your company and make a difference. One of the fundamental pillars of advanced analytics is data collection. Without quality data, it is impossible to build accurate predictive models. In these videos, you will learn how to collect relevant data from your industrial assets, and more importantly, how to ensure its quality so that your decisions are accurate and reliable. These videos are aimed primarily at maintenance managers and engineering managers who have experience in managing industrial equipment and processes. If you are a leader used to making decisions, but have not yet integrated advanced analytics or AI into your strategy, these videos are perfect for you. No matter the size of your company or the industry you are in, the principles and tools you will learn here are applicable in any context. This video is just the beginning. If anything you've heard now has inspired you, I invite you to connect with me on LinkedIn. We can dive deeper into how these technologies can impact your business, and I'll be happy to help you customize a strategy to successfully lead the digital transformation in your company. Thanks for joining me for this introduction. You're one step away from transforming your approach to maintenance. In the next video, we'll delve deeper into the evolution of industrial maintenance and how technology is changing the rules of the game. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a session. See you soon.